There's a difference between somebody who just writes, like an author that might write a book or a play or a movie, and somebody who writes with the intention to sell. I write with the intention to sell. I can help you to identify who your exact target audience is. I know what to say, I know how to say it, and more importantly, I know where to say it. And from there, it's just a matter of developing content around your business and putting it in the proper places online with links back to your original website. And doing that over time not only improves your search engine rankings, but it also develops you as a leader and an expert within your niche. You want to be relevant. You want to be important to Google or Yahoo or Bing or whichever search engine we're talking about here. In order to be relevant, that means that you not only have to have quality content, but it has to be new, it has to be updated, and it needs to be consistent over a period of time. That way, when Google's out there looking for you, you have identified yourself as a major player within your niche, and that's what brings your website to page one.